I welcome you all to this new session where we will begin introduction to Google Search and Google Chrome. In this video, I will be showing you how Google Search Engine works with Google Chrome, and I will also be showing you where to search for anything using Google Chrome. So before we begin that, I will want you to understand two terms in this session. The first one is Google Search Engine and the second one is Google Chrome. The Google Search Engine is the portal where we see results, where the results of anything we are searching from is coming from. So the search engine is that engine that gives us result of informations we need that we are seeking for, while Google Chrome on the other hand is a browser application. It's an application, a software application that serves as the intermediary between you that is searching something and Google search engine that you are searching something from. So it is the intermediary application that displays the results. When you search, Google search gives you the results, but Google Chrome is the browser that displays it to you. So let me illustrate that by opening the Google Chrome app. As we all know, we always have our Google Chrome app here. Click to open. As I'm opening the Google Chrome app browser, the Google search engine will automatically load its portal to display to us here. Remember, whatever we are doing here requires internet. So you need access to internet to do anything on any browser. So here we have the Google search engine here, and this is the URL to the website. So I'll be clicking the plus icon to open a new page. You can also call it a tab. So, and that is why we have two here. When you click here, it means we have two tabs open, which you can also call two different pages. So on this new tab, we have the name Google and we have this search bar. This search bar is exactly what we are talking about, which is the search engine. So this is where you type whatever you are looking for on the internet, and you will surely see the results display on your screen. So while searching, you can search in two ways. You can search by typing for whatever you want, or you can also search by typing URLs. And when I say URLs, I mean links to a website or a file or to any destination you are looking for. So the first option to search for anything, that is, maybe you are looking for the meaning of something, meaning of school for instance, or the meaning of school. Let's go for that. So once you type what you are looking for, what is the meaning of school, and here we are seeing the result already from dictionary, and this is the result. We are even seeing pictures that shows the meaning of what we are looking for, and then when you scroll you see different kinds of results that actually talk about what you search for. The same thing with, maybe you want to learn how to do something, how to cook, how to play football, how to exercise, how to take care of your wealth, and how to take care of yourself entirely. You can always search that on this search bar and you will surely get results. So let me click on the plus icon again to create another page to show you the URL version of searching. So here I am on the new page, and instead of searching for meaning of something or how to do anything, I want to type in a URL. Remember I mentioned maybe you already know the destination you are going to, and you want to type in the link that will directly take you to that destination. So let's take, for instance, I want to visit the Facebook page. So as I have known the Facebook page as www.facebook. Now, this is another thing I want you to take note of. As you are typing to search for something on Facebook, on the internet, the Google search engine is wise enough to bring out suggestions of what you are looking for. I have not typed Facebook finish. I have just typed FAC, and the search engine has automatically bring out the rest for me because it believes this is what I am looking for. So the Google search engine also make it easy for you to search for something. So you may know the starting of something and don't know how it ends. So Google will help you to bring out the suggestions of what you are looking for. So as you can see, the facebook.com is loading, and it will take me directly to the Facebook page. And this is telling us that almost all of the apps we are making use of, be it TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all of these applications that we have on our mobile device that we install from Google Play Store, all of them can also be accessed through the website using the Chrome browser. So it is not until you download or install all of those apps on your phone before you can access them. There are their website versions. This is where I can log into my Facebook account if I want to, and I can click here again to check for another website. Let's say instagram.com. Alright, this is the Instagram link, and it will also display and show me option where to log in to my profile. So, and another interesting part is as this page is loading, I can open another page if I can't wait for it, so that I will also be searching for another thing as that one is still searching. And remember, it doesn't take this long. Yeah, it doesn't take this long. It just depends on how strong your internet connection is. So I'm typing YouTube, and I want to search for YouTube here. So, and this website too, even though you did not know their correct URL, which is the link, just like I'm typing www.facebook.com, even though you did not know that, you can easily type YouTube, and from the result it's going to bring out to you, you will find the link to it. So let me show you that with the YouTube page I am searching for. Okay, this is the one for YouTube, and this is Instagram. Let's check for Instagram. It's still loading, and I can switch between pages. Alright, this is Instagram that has been loaded. So I can switch between pages. Here I have 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. So either I click on that box showing 4 to select my page, or I swipe on this box. Either I swipe to the right, or back to the left, and to the left. So this is what I was saying earlier. If you don't know the URL to YouTube, I only type YouTube. I did not put the www.youtube.com. I only type YouTube, and from the result it brings out here, it has given me the URL, the correct URL to visit YouTube website. So on this search bar is where you type in your items, whatever you want to search for, and whatever you are looking for, how to do something, what is something, and whatever it is you might think of. So, and the Google search engine, like I used to say in one of our physical class, is that Google doesn't care the kind of question you are asking it. It's going to give you a result. It's going to give you a result. No matter how silly you think the question might be, or no matter how funny you think the question might be, just ask it and it will bring out the result for you. So this is a brief introduction to Google Chrome and using the Google search engine inside Google Chrome. So now, as part of our session, I will want you to do this for a practice. So being a student, you have your school portal, and which I will need you to log in or to visit your school portal and log into your account and at least check your last semester results. So I'll be adding the link to your school portal on our syllabus sheet. Once I add the link, it is through that link. Once you click the link, it will automatically takes you to your school portal where you can log into your name, or let me just quickly illustrate that now. So I will type in the name of the school, which is this. I will type the name in abbreviation. So as I'm typing, you can see it has bring out that I want to go to the portal of this school. Then you click on enter and it takes you directly to the school portal. And here we are. This is the school portal, and here you have your user ID and a password. As we all know, your user ID is always your matric number and your password is always your surname. Then once you have filled these two space, then you click on login to login. So here I am on this student portal. After logging in, this is the dashboard. So you look for the option to check for results. Alright, this is the option for results. You can see my results. So once it loads, you find yourself here. You select the type of result you are looking for. Is it a seasonal result or a semester? If it is a seasonal is combination of first semester and second semester result. You want to see them together of a year. Then if it is per semester, you have to select which of the semester. Is it first semester or the second semester? So I always want to check for sessional, so that seasonal, so that I can have access to both first and second semester at the same time. So here you need to select for the academic session. Which session are you looking for? This is the latest session we have, 2024/2025. So this is the one you should select. So selecting this, you will see display results. Then click on display results. And on the next page, it will bring out your results. So on this page, you should see your results like this here. Now this is not showing any results here. This page is blank because this student has actually passed out from this school since 3 years ago. So that is why I don't have any results showing here. But for you, you will surely see your results displayed here. And now, as usual for our submission, you are expected to make a screenshot of this page that your result is showing. And once you make the screenshot, then you go to your series folder, submission folder, and open the 17 folder and upload that screenshot on the inside the 17 folder. And once you upload, then you copy the link to the 17 folder and then paste it on the submission tab. So have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson.